It's really good to come over to our development centre to look at what we're currently doing as part of our apprenticeship programme, to get the apprentices working with the rigs and technology and prototyping that we do in our development. I started at Cummins 20 years ago as an apprentice, and it really springboarded me into a design role. I was able to go into a design role at the end of my apprenticeship having built product, having tested product, having physically seen how our customers interact with that product. And I think alongside my academic qualifications, I think that practical element of my apprenticeship really did help raise me up to where I was with becoming a mechanical engineer and continuing with my studies. The idea of trying to really innovate within our apprenticeships is understanding how we get that diverse practical knowledge of engineering. It really is the foundation. So understanding how to touch the product, how we get our data, how we prove our data, how we validate our early design thoughts by actually getting in there and testing our products in our prototype facility.